Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Hey y'all, Billy here with another quick tip. You need an eyelet for a small project like this, but you don't have any? It needs to be a small one. Well, you can run out and buy some. Or, if you're like me, you can do something else. I keep a stock of a couple of different sizes of wire laying around the shop. Some I use for making wire to burn on my turnings. Actually, both of them, because they're two different sizes. One's small like this, and one's a little bit bigger. But we're going to use this one. Let me show you how we're going to do it. This is an Allen key shaped wrench. It's actually Torx, but it's just about the right diameter for what I want. So what I'm going to do is take some of my wire. I don't need a whole lot. Cut a little bit off. Take this, we're going to chuck it up. I'm going to bend this as tightly as I can around this post. And then I'm going to cross it. And then grab it with some lineman's pliers. Hold some resistance against it. I used a little too much wire, but one each. Hook for putting in an ornament. Trim the back. And there you go. Chuck up a small drill bit. A little dab of thick CA. Twist this home. Once you get it in place, back it off a little bit in the direction counter to where how you turned it. That'll tighten it up. Let it dry. And now you've got an eyelet. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope this helped you out or gives you some ideas. That's why I do this. Share if you think somebody you know will like it. And go turn something. Y'all come back.